Okay, we're finally on to lesson 1, input-output machines. If you take a look at the diagram there with the little kind of person and the great big machine there with the times 5 in it, this is called an input-output machine. Any number that you put into the machine is multiplied by 5. So when you input a 6, like this, and then you multiply it by 5, the output will be 30. That's fairly simple, it's just multiplying. Suppose you put in a 9. What's 9 times 5? The answer is 45. So it's a pretty simple concept. We can create these machines with just a single operation like multiplying, and we can change it to adding, we could change it to subtracting or dividing. So we're just getting you familiar with the concept of an input-output machine. Alright, the explore part. It says draw your own input-output machine. I'm going to show you a very simple way to do it. I just want you to draw like an outline of that machine. So you can have an input line. You draw a box. That's where your operation is going to go. And then you draw a line for your output. And inside here, you can choose any operation like adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing. And then you can choose the number that goes beside it. I chose plus 5. So if I put in a number such as the number 1, that's my input, and then I'm going to run it through the machine. I'll have 1 plus 5. My output will be 6. So in the little chart down here, or we will be making charts. Okay, I got that one wrong already because I messed up. It's an output of 6. If I put in an input of 2, and then I go 2 plus 5, which is 7. I write that down in my chart. And if I put an input of 3, then my output will be 8, and I write that in my chart. So this is something that we're going to be doing in class.